Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the track is in your library and downloaded. Songs with DRM can't be used. Open GarageBand and import the song clip, then trim to 30-40 seconds because iPhone ringtones work best under 40s. Once done, tap the Share button and select Ringtone, name it clearly. This creates a M4R-like ringtone package. Make sure to export directly as a ringtone file rather than a general audio file, so the system recognizes it for the next steps. Now you'll move the exported ringtone onto your iPhone. If you're on a Mac with Finder, connect the phone and open the device. On Windows, use iTunes. Drag the ringtone file into the Tones section for your device and sync. Once synced, unlock your iPhone and open Settings Sounds and Haptics Ringtone. You should see the new name listed. Tap it to assign. If it doesn't appear, recheck sync status and that the file was exported specifically as a ringtone. Finish by verifying the sound plays correctly when selected. If the ringtone is missing or won't set, make sure the clip is shorter than 40 seconds and exported as M4R. DRM-protected tracks can't be used. Re-export from GarageBand if necessary, then resync using Finder or iTunes. If it still fails, restart your iPhone and check that iOS is up to date. This resolves most recognition issues. Lastly, confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.